Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Been trying to do some smallmouth fishing, but I've been unsuccessful, so come to the car to switch things up. I got this new rod I want to try out. It is a I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a 7-foot ultralight, good flimsy rod. And I'm just tired of not getting a bite today, so gonna tie on some little stuff and see what happens, so stay tuned. Oh gosh, right at the bank. Dude, you about to give me a heart attack. Googan bait. Spinner bait here. It's pretty bait. I think that's the kind of like the bluegill. Yeah, I was fishing for bluegill and stuff, but they weren't cooperating either, so I went back and been using a few different lures. Tried to jerk bait and a few other things. Nothing worked, but got that on the spinner bait. Pretty little dude. Sweet. Thank you, bud. Got him. Get up there. Sweet. It's a decent smallmouth. Till the water's cooling off, the fish are getting cool. Ow, wet. They're stabbing me. Using the lifted jig and a small bandito bug. He killed the pinchers on that guy. Not too big. Decent though. Good little river smallie. Try to hurry. My battery's about to die on my GoPro. As you guys can see, this is the next day. Only one fish yesterday. You got me. You got me, buddy. Making me bleed. Pretty little dude though. Thank you, bud. Sweet. Stay tuned, guys. Well, as you guys can see, it's the next day, like I said, right after I caught that fish. I was going to show you guys what I'm using a little bit better. It is the small bandito bug. I got it on one of the lifted jig heads, but I'm not working it normally. I'm kind of slowly swimming it, then I'll crank it fast and kill it, and that's the only thing I've been able to get the bites on. I missed one, and then I caught that one on like the 2 casts later, so it's more action than I've had in a while, so definitely going to give it a shot a little bit longer, see if I can catch a couple more. Stay tuned, hopefully we will. Eat it. It's gonna be a little fish. Oh, we got him. Get out of that tree. Sweet. Heck yeah. I knew it was a little guy. I could feel him just pecking it. Just had to give him a second to get a good bite on it. There we go. I'm gonna grind it for these fish the past 2 days. Look at that. It's insane. Tell the water's cooling off though, because the fish are getting cooler. He's pretty colored though. Thank you, bud. Little bandito bug strikes again. The smaller size is perfect for a smallmouth, I think. For river fishing anyways. Sweet. Got a little bit more time, see if I can get something else before I have to head out. So stay tuned. Well, I'm done for the day. That's the hardest 3 fish I've ever tried to catch in my life. Just a total grind. I figured the bite would get better since it's cooling off a little bit. I mean, it's dropped to 70s, high 70s, low 80s, but still hasn't got any better really. Hopefully soon though. If you like the video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop me some comments. And if you haven't, go back and find the giveaway video and get in the giveaway for the SLX Shimano reel. And stay tuned. Thanks for watching.